Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What's up, guys? So we are in Southern Pines, North Carolina. We are picking up 3 pieces, headed to Clarksville, Tennessee. This is what a bill of lading looks like, if you don't know. Still out here working, y'all. The boy Bigg Vic still putting that work in. We ain't playing. 6-figure. Boxtruckbiz.com. Let's go. What's up, guys? So today I wanted to highlight a comment. This comment is coming from Tracking the Market. Shout out to Tracking the Market. So Tracking the Market says, bro, I digested a lot of your content, but the numbers just don't hold up right now. Box trucks just ain't working with today's fuel and rental rates. I decided to go semi because of the flexibility to haul more. Box trucks is drowning. You got to be able to say that. It's okay. Every market has downtimes. Be honest about it instead of pretending that it's not happening. So, shout out to tracking the market. So, my response would be that number one, I don't rent box trucks. So you rarely hear me talk about renting box trucks on my channel, okay? I'm not a renter. I'm a buyer, right? I purchased the truck. So when you hear me speaking of the money and the income that I'm earning in the box truck space, that's from me owning my truck, okay? That's me buying my truck. That's not me paying rental rates. I am not speaking from a renter's perspective. That's not me. That's not my business. That's not my operation, okay? The box trucks is drowning part. I just want to address that. My box truck business hasn't been drowning since I've been in the business, okay? And several of course students that I'm working with are making plenty of money in this box truck space. Several other non-course members that I know of that reach out to me are making plenty of money in this box truck space, right? So where they're drowning at, I haven't seen it. There's, I want you to think about this for a second. I'm not your conventional average box truck owner operator, okay? That's not my business. You know what I'm saying? So I don't think like everyone else. And this is something I want you to think about, guys. What you focus on expands. So if you're focusing on fuel prices being high and you're not going to be able to make any profit, guess what? You're attracting more bad rates to you when you try to book freight. You're attracting all the negatives that could possibly come at you because this is how your mind is working. This is how you're thinking. I don't think like everyone else. I see opportunity when other people see that it's time to sell their truck because of fuel prices. So if you're selling your vehicle because fuel prices went up and you probably wasn't booking freight the right way in the first place, then this business probably isn't for you. Maybe there's another lane, another business opportunity that you should be doing. But how I teach how to build this business, these people are figuring it out. These people are making it through. These people are still thriving and they're still building their businesses. They're making it work. They're still making it work. I just talked to someone that you guys seen on the channel before. I'm not going to call any names because, they just don't really want their business out there like that. But, this person's still hitting 20K. They're like, yo, I'm doing roughly around, averaging around 20K a month right now in the box truck space. I'm like, wow, that's what I'm talking about. So everybody doesn't have that same story of their business is drowning because of the fuel prices. Now, if you're renting a truck, I don't know what your rental rates are. I can't speak on that space and, if you're able to make money with the rental vehicle or not. That's not really my lane right there. I'm a box truck owner operator that purchased the truck. I didn't go out and rent a truck. So that's I can't really say what you could be making with a rental truck. Yes, I've already spoken on the fact that fuel prices are up. I got a whole video talking about fuel prices. But you won't continuously get me talking about the negatives of the box truck space or trucking in general. You're going to hear me talking about money that's still able to be made regardless. You guys just seen Box Truck couple post a video not too long ago. I think that one of their last couple of videos, over $4 something a mile. Amazon hit me up with a low over $5 a mile, $5.20 a mile, $1,200 bucks. So everybody's story is not going to be the same. Everybody doesn't grind the same, y'all. That's what I want y'all to understand. Everybody's grind is not the same. So when you hear these guys, crying about fuel and it's bad right now, it's just not the right time to get into this space. Everybody's grind is not the same, period. So you can, like I said, guys, if you're new looking at the business, do your research. You know what I'm saying? Like, follow the content that you want to follow, take the information that works for you and apply that information. Now back to the program.